What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Maskedup Motors. Well, actually, shall I say, cooking with Maskedup Motors. Oh yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. Or actually, no, not today. But the other day, a friend of mine was asking me, he's like, hey, can you cook on your car? And I've been doing a lot of thinking. And theoretically, yeah, I could possibly cook something simple on a car, like eggs. Boring. I've seen people cook cookies. Might take too long, might get kind of weird, and it would also depend on a hot summer day. But I've been doing some thinking, and my car, or most cars, the motor reaches somewhere between 190 to 200, maybe even 210 degrees, and steak cooks for a nice medium rare 120, 130 degrees. So I got to thinking, if I leave a piece of steak in my engine bay for long enough time, would I be able to cook a piece of steak? So that's what I'm gonna do today. I am gonna cook a nice, delicious steak on my car, and yeah, let's see how that works out. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do to prepare my beautiful meat. Look at all this wonderful marbling we got going on here. You know what they say, fat equals flavor. Hopefully I don't die from exhaust fumes while I cook this delicious piece of meat. This is a New York steak strip. So right here, I got my secret ingredients. Secret, salt, pepper, and garlic. That's all it is. So much of a secret, right? We gotta cover thoroughly. We want every little bit to have flavor. Look at that right there. Squish it all in there. And then we flip. Wow. Amazing. So doing some further research, theoretically, this should work. How long should it take? Absolutely no idea. Have no idea how long this should take. But this is an experiment, guys. This might take 8 hours and maybe a full tank of gas, so this will be very expensive. A full tank of gas in my car is like 60 bucks, especially right now. Not cool. Now, so cover this, just in case there's oil and, you know, coolant. I'm gonna put this on some aluminum foil. Put this right in here. I know you guys can't really see, but there we go, foil. And we're just gonna, you know, cover it up. Perfect. All right, now we'll put it in the car. All right, guys, so car is up to temp. I just turned it off real quick so I can talk. It's pretty loud. So I'm gonna start putting this beautiful meat that we seasoned. I'm gonna put it right on the radiator so I can get the best chance of cookage. I'm gonna leave that right there. There we go. And yeah, we're gonna turn the car back on and hope for the best. All right, guys, believe it or not, it got too hot that I put this plastic cutting board on it, but I'm really hoping it's not melting the cutting board. But I did a little probe temp and we got a reading. Look at that. It looks like it's overcooked actually. I left it in here for about an hour and we got us some cooked steak, guys. So I'm gonna head inside and we'll show you a nice little reveal. All right, now time for the big reveal. Let's see what we got. How's it look? Okay. Exactly what I would expect it to look like, but never fear. Alright, well, I think that's the best that's gonna get. But let's check out the inside. Oh, I made a mess. Great. Alright, so let's see how this cut came out. Ooh, that is a perfectly cooked steak right there. Maybe a little bit overcooked, but still. If you want to cook on your car, I say go for it, because that, my friends, is a success. Now, I'm gonna make potatoes, so leave me alone. Okay, bye. All right, guys, so there you have it. I was successful enough to cook that piece of steak. I'm not gonna lie, I did decide to take a nap and completely forgot about it. And when I woke up, I was like, oh shit, my car's overheating. Luckily, was not overheating. That would have sucked. Don't need another blown head gasket, you know what I mean? But it was successful. Like I said, I did forget about it, so it was a little tad bit overcooked, but it was delicious nevertheless. Mwah, delicious. It would have been better if it was like not covered in foil and I had a nice good sear going on. That's where the blowtorch came into play, but would I do it for emergencies? Probably would I use that instead of a barbecue? Definitely not. I would probably also invest in a wireless thermometer so I can get like a little notification saying like, hey, your steak is ready and it was almost well done. Nobody likes a well done steak. If you do, you're wrong. But anyways, that's all I got. Jesus, words are hard. That's all I have for you today. I really did not expect this to work at all. I did finish eating it, had some potatoes. Delicious. But anyways, like and subscribe if you guys want to see me try cooking more things on top of my car. Let me know. If not, I'm probably gonna do it again later. I just haven't really thought of any low and slow cooking recipes that I can cook on a car. And it's not like I'm trying to make a slow cook stew. I'm not trying to, you know, overheat this thing. I kind of still need it, you know, still do. But anyways, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.